Hi, I'm Aaron. I joint own and run a traditional engineering firm based in southeast of Melbourne. Last year I started a high-tech spin-off called AddedTech. AddedTech is leading in additive manufacturing, the burgeoning technology commonly called 3D printing. Over the last 2 years we've built up our capabilities in plastic 3D printing whilst offering metal powder printing through our Swiss partner firm Protoshape. I was lucky enough to have spent 9 of my formative years as an engineer working in the high-tech industry in Switzerland. This experience gave me the skills and confidence to not just introduce more modern computer-aided machining within our general engineering business, but also to attempt something even more innovative, something that is not just a first for Australia, but also at the forefront globally. This year we're launching our in-house developed metal 3D printing system we call RAW-AM, Robotic Arc Weld Additive Manufacturing. With this technology we can print in metals on a scale and speed unachievable with powder and laser-based systems. This allows us to branch out of the high-cost industries of medical and aerospace and offer 3D printing services to more traditional and varied customers, competing on a cost basis with traditional casting and offering much quicker turnaround times. Our 3D printing technology will help Australian firms be competitive on a global stage.